Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be harvesting some store-bought potatoes that I planted in a 3-gallon, I believe, grow bag. The first thing I'll be doing is cutting off the stems. This is my first time growing potatoes, so just some little research on YouTube. They said when the green foliage starts dying back, it may be time to harvest your potatoes. I wasn't exactly sure if this was the right time. We have been having some hot weather, so I'm not sure if maybe the plants just got too hot and started dying back, or if it was actually time to harvest. I planted these around December the 24th, I believe, of 2021. And the day of this recording was May the 15th, 2022. So I've cut off the stems, and I'm just going to flip this bag over and start digging for potatoes. One thing I did learn over the course of planting these, like I said, I planted 2 store-bought potatoes, and I put a layer of leaves on top for mulch. And for months, I did nothing with them. I didn't water them. The only water they got was from rain. It went through the winter months, January, February, through frost and snow. So once I started planting my spring garden, that's when I kind of started tending to the potatoes in the grow bag. So they would get watered daily with my other plants. So as you can see, I'm finding little potatoes here and there, and I am so excited. I've never grown potatoes before. And once I pretty much saw that these were growing foliage, and because this was just an experiment just to see if I could get any to grow, about a couple of weeks ago, I did plant a second set of potatoes, and they're growing now. One thing that I did learn was that I didn't do with this batch that I'm going to be doing with the next batch is something called hilling. So as your potatoes grow, when the green shoots start shooting up, you're supposed to add more dirt or compost to the top, which is called hilling, and it actually gives you more surface area for more potatoes to grow. I did not do this with this batch. Like I said, this was just an experiment to see if I can get anything to grow. I put them in the bag, and it was my intention to just set it and forget it. And that's basically what I did until the temperature started warming up. And like I said, I would water them daily with the rest of my plants that I have. So this is just me uncovering potatoes. that's my potato harvest. Not bad for the first try. So excited. And like I said, I already have the next batch planted and ready to grow.